The second one, which is number 2, is lead generation, which every business needs leads, but we want it to be in a strategic way. We want you to be able to have a lead form, have a landing page, collect that information, and then really in tying in with number 1, which is email marketing, use that to nurture them until one, they're either ready to make a purchase, or if they are ready to make a purchase, having it flow very smoothly. We're all about ease here. Welcome. Hey, go-getters. I'm Tanisha Halstead, the founder of Virtually Centered Solutions. I'm a CRM and automation consultant. I'm also a Keep certified partner. And you may have heard of Keep before. It was formerly Infusionsoft. Keep is really a leading small business CRM and automation platform. And some of the things that puts it as a leader is that it offers email marketing, sales platform, and it's really for small businesses, including ways for them to manage their customers, their marketing, and even e-commerce. Their superpower really is built around exclusively helping small business owners, and you guessed it, save time and grow without chaos. How my passion actually intertwines is that I have a passion for teaching you, the small business owner, how automation, as techy it can sound sometimes, can be simple. So think of less overwhelming your day and a way to have a scalable business. Number 2, we're going to hop into lead generation. Now, if you're new to the channel, you might not have watched my previous video about how leads increase your business, but I say all the time, every business needs leads. And now it kind of ties into number 1, because we can get all the leads in the world, but are you using email or some form of marketing to keep and nurture those leads? So with number 2, lead generation, as I said, is a crucial part of growing your business. And with marketing automation, you can do it more efficiently. So you can use things like lead forms, landing pages. You can collect information about your audience and use it to really nurture them, like I said, until they're ready to make a purchase. So I'll get more into detail about that, because we're actually in the process internally of recreating lead capture for our audience. So you will see some promotion come out about that, where we're actually talking about 10 things every small business should automate. And I'm super excited about this, because I think sometimes we may have 1 or 2 things in place, but it's different when you actually hear what you could do with it and then see an action behind it. So really excited to share that, but really it's just to really drive home again, one of the points that marketing automation can help you in the flow of when you create your lead form to the point where you're delivering whatever you promised them. It could be a checklist in a PDF form. It could be maybe a video series of some sort. Maybe it's joining a group. So from that, it's just really taking them through a workflow, and you're not manually doing all these things. I also want to let you know, little housekeeping, we are actually partnering with another group to host a learning series called Bridging the Gap. And that's going to be on April 19th. I will actually be discussing automation gaps. Go to this link, the bit.ly BTG ticket link. I'm always cheering you on, wishing you the best. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks of how you can grow your small business using marketing automation. And we'll see you next time.